It's our math word problem time. Everybody get those thinking caps on. Here we go. There were 8 birds sitting in the tree. 7 of those birds flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? There were 8 birds sitting in the tree. 7 of those birds flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? Okay, let's think about what this math problem is asking us to figure out. Okay? Think about what are you going to do to figure this out? Are you going to have to add or subtract? Think about the words in here. I heard some words like flew away and how many are left. Think about the numbers that are important in this word problem. Okay, good. Then you'll come down here to this box, and this is where you will show your thinking. So you can draw a picture, you can use a 10 frame, you could use a number line, you could count on, you could use your fingers, but make sure whatever strategy you pick is effective and efficient for you, and that you, by using that strategy, is going to get you the correct answer. Okay, and then once you use that strategy down here, you can write your answer on this line, and then in the rectangle at the bottom, this is where you will write a number sentence that matches your work, what you did to solve this problem. So one more time, there were 8 birds sitting in the tree. 7 of those birds flew away. How many birds are left in the tree? Great job, boys and girls. I know you can do it.